Hi, this is Logan Thurm, and this is the third video to the final presentation over Beach Hero. So my second enemy type is the kid right here. You can collide with her, and you only lose points. Now, if you if you were to collide with adult, you would lose a life. That is not the case with So like right there, I collided with an adult and I lost a life. It's not the case with the kid. It still disappears and you lose points, but you do not lose lives. So I chose to use the animation strategy on the kid. The main differences between my two enemy types were, other than size and speed, is that when you hit the kid, it takes the distance from, say, where it is in the game scene. So like this one right here, it would take that distance from here and it would fall half that distance. So it's kind of hard to tell. I'll hit this one up here. So if it's coming from right here, see how it falls to about right here and stops. So this is the UML for my kid, my second enemy type. It's kid. It's, like I said, it's got two strategies. It's got the animate falling and the animate walking. So right here I have my animation strategy again. Let's see. Here's where I'm updating my animation strategy in the updating state. This right here is what's handling the half the distance, roughly half the distance. Falling is pretty standard. It's just adding to the Y location of the kid until it falls. When the kid is hit, it spawns right here. It will show the skull and crossbones as the to dictate that it's been hit and it can't be hit again. Here's how it's moving. And again, once it hits the right side of the screen, this is kind of a redundancy check just to make sure I don't have any errors. But once it hits the right side of the screen, it respawns.